Hi, this is Sean Cranish, the EMF Explorer from electrohealth.com, and today I have behind me a sewer pipe, a metal sewer pipe, and there's current on this pipe right now. So what we're going to do is take a portion, cut a small portion out of the pipe and put in PVC and then seal it back up, and that will eliminate the current. So this current right here is going out to the city's metal sewer network, and it's probably coming on our neutral. We're going to measure that in a moment as well, and we'll measure before and after. We're also going to measure with the power in the house turned off and the power on, and see if there's still current there even when the power's off, which I've seen a lot of cases where there is. So we'll test that here and see if there's current even with the power in this house off. So here I've got the Trifield Meter, the 100XE that we sell on electrohealth.com, and this is the one with sound. I definitely love the sound feature. It's a little knob that is, you can adjust the sensitivity of it. So what I usually do is I'll turn it all the way up and then back it away a little bit just so that it's quiet. And then once you get near a field, you can see the closer that you get to the field, the louder or more high-pitched it becomes. So the sound is definitely, it adds some sensitivity to it. It helps you pick up some things that would be a little harder to pick up with the needle. Although the needle firstly picks up most every magnetic field that you run into, but I really like the sound because you don't even have to look down at the needle. It makes it so much easier to use. So the sound is an optional feature. It costs a little bit extra, but I think it's worth the little bit extra investment for the sound, because it's just so handy. So you see here that as we approach this metal pipe, the field goes way up, and so we know that there's electrical current running on it. Now I don't have a clamp meter with me that has like a rope that we can go around this pipe to measure the amperes, but we know it's there anyways. We can also verify with another meter. So I've got a number of magnetic field meters, digital ones, and but I still like the Trifield. That's still my personal favorite. But if we want to get an actual digital reading, I'll set this here, and I'll leave it in that position. So we're getting about 0.25 milligauss is what we're getting there right now. So about 0.25 milligauss. And we'll just leave that in place. It's fluctuating a little bit, going up and down a little bit, but about 0.25 is average. So we'll leave that right there. We'll, in a moment here, I'm going to shut off the electricity and we'll see what's still on that pipe. Okay, so we just shut the power off here in the entire house, the whole building. But you can see when we get to this pipe, we still have a magnetic field coming from it. Looks like it's gone down. The magnetic field's definitely gone down. So some of it was originating from inside this house. That would be high frequencies. And then on our digital meter, yeah, so it did cut about in half, or a little bit more in half. Now we're reading like a 0.10, 0.11 milligauss, about a tenth of a milligauss from this distance here. Before it was a little over twice that. So there's still current running, even though the power is off. Okay, here we have our steel sewer pipe, or it's like a drain vent pipe, I believe. And we just cut out a portion of that. I'll back up so you can see. Yeah, about a 2-foot portion. We bought a pre-cut little PVC pipe, the same diameter, same outer diameter. A couple little hubs here, like the no hubs. And we lost a hose clamp in the process, but we'll get one to replace it. And we just put that on. That breaks the circuit, that breaks the electrical connection, and so you will no longer have current flowing through that pipe. The one thing to remember is that you have to look at all metal pipes going out of the building or out of the house. See, this pipe goes down into the floor. Can't see it, but it goes down there into the floor, into the basement floor. So any other metal pipes, like we have one right around the corner here, we have another metal sewer pipe. So There could still be current on that one. We're going to check that out, and just to be careful, we're going to isolate that one as well. And by isolating that and isolating all the pipes, you can be sure that there's no current, and you'll be able to measure with the magnetic field meter like the Trifield meter. And that'll solve the problem of all sorts of magnetic fields flowing throughout the house and being throughout the house even when you shut your own electricity off. Your neighbor's current and the current that's trying to find its way around the system will no longer flow through your house. So that's the solution. This is Sean Cranish, the EMF Explorer, and we hope you like this little quick video to show you how to solve another little problem. Check out our website, electrahealth.com, and please, if you would, join the International Electromagnetic Health Association, the IEHA, our new organization dedicated to helping people solve problems like this and advance the knowledge and understanding of how electromagnetic fields affect the health, how non-ionizing radiation affects the health, and what we can do to have safer technologies and safer homes. So please support us. You can go to our website, electrahealth.com, and sign up for the IEHA there, and also get a discount on everything in our store while you're at it. So appreciate your support.